Hello. In this video, we will introduce you to pivot tables in Excel.
Excel's pivot tables are interactive tools that enable you to summarize and analyze data. They can allow you to quickly explore present data in various forms, and you can quickly arrange and rearrange and aggregate data into different layouts. The pivot table is a kind of a report, but unlike a static report, pivot tables provides you an interactive view of your data. With pivot tables, you can group data into categories, break down data into years, months, and by other criteria, and also filter data to exclude and include categories, and you can also build charts with pivot tables. So what are the pros of the pivot tables? Pivot tables enables you to easily summarize data. They're flexible. You can easily drag and drop fields and rearrange data and so on. It's time saving. So it's kind of automated process. You can get summaries and calculations without any manual work. They're interactive, so you can easily sort, filter, drill down into details. They allow aggregation easily, like you can calculate sums, average, counts, and so on. You can do easy data analysis with them. You can identify trends, patterns, and get insights into your data. Pivot tables have a user-friendly interface that's intuitive and is easy to learn. The cons of pivot tables are sometimes you get performance issues when you have large data sets, like if you have millions of rows of data and so on. Pivot tables might cause performance issues. And there's a limited level of customization you can have on pivot tables. For example, there's a limited list of aggregation functions like sum, average, and count and so on that you can do. So you can't create highly customized reports with very advanced charts and so on. They have limited customization features, like you can't create very complicated customized reports or charts or advanced charts. You can't also do complex calculations with them. They have inbuilt functions like sum, average, count, so on, those that you can use, but very complex calculations you can't do. Finally, they only provide a static snapshot of the data available at a given point of time. If your data changes and so on, you need to refresh the pivot table to get a accurately updated pivot table. So basically on this other sheet, we have a pivot table we have built based on this sales data. So we have the sales reps names on this side. And then on this side, we got the regions, and we got the number of units sold by each salesperson in each of these regions. So we have basically constructed a summary report easily out of this data, and we didn't have to use any functions or formulas to do this. So in our next lessons, we'll learn how to build these pivot tables. We'll learn how to build these pivot tables and to customize them and how to use the additional features.
Thanks for watching.